Boundary value analysis is a black box testing technique used to identify defects at the extremes of input parameter ranges. Regression testing ensures that modifications or enhancements to the software do not introduce new defects or regressions into existing functionality. Static code analysis involves executing the software and observing its behavior to identify defects or vulnerabilities. Acceptance testing is performed to validate that the software system meets specified user requirements and is ready for deployment. Debugging is the process of reviewing and analyzing the source code for defects or vulnerabilities. Perfective maintenance involves modifying the software to adapt it to changes in the environment or platform. Configuration management is primarily concerned with diagnosing and resolving software defects or bugs. Black box testing involves analyzing the internal structure of the software and executing test cases based on code paths. Adaptive maintenance involves modifying the software to enhance its performance or add new features. Gray box testing combines elements of both black box and white box testing techniques.